Gerardo Sadsad, isa pong manananggol. At take it away, Idol Sir, para yung sa mapapanood at mapapakinggan kami sa aming news website www.dwiz882am.com at i-download ang DWIZ application DWIZ882 sa iOS at Android phone. Live rin po tayo via DWIZ882 Facebook page and YouTube channel. Huwag kalimutan mag-follow, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Tayo ay napapanood nationwide sa Digital Free TV Aliw 23 at DWIZ TV. Meron din po tayo sa Signal, Sulit TV, Satellite, TV Plus at GMA for the Box. Available rin po kami sa digital TV devices at TV receivers. Mangyari scan lamang po ang inyong TV receivers upang mapanood ang Aliw 23 at DWIZ News TV. Bago lahat po, siguro binabati ko ang aking boss na commissioner ng Bureau of Customs. Birthday niyo po niya ngayon. Birthday, happy birthday, Commissioner Benvenido Y. Rubio, sir. Happy birthday, sir. Binabati ko rin ang Bureau of Customs for the celebration of the Employees Week. Mga 40 plus po ang awardan kanina. And hi din po kay Deputy Commissioner for Management Information Systems Technology Group, si no other than Deputy Commissioner Ronel Hombre. Hi din po kay dahil kapatiran para sa bayan ito, hi din po sa ating newly installed Grandmaster. And we had our courtesy call kanina lang po, si Most Worshipful Raul E. Canon Jr. Good luck and Godspeed on your journey to manage our fraternity in the Philippine jurisdiction. Maganda yung topic natin ngayon. Of course, ito yung sinasabing beauty. Although physically, it fades, but for her, I believe that parang alak to. The longer that he stays in the limelight, the beauty will always shine. Diba? Makikita natin mamaya yan. At lalong-lalo na ngayon. No other than our Miss Legend Universal Intercontinental Champion for the year 2024, no other than Miss Catherine Muguerza. Magandang yes, sa smile pa lang ulam na. Parang gano'n, di ba? Bati po kayo sa how I'll call you. Mahaba yung Catherine
Catherine?
Catherine pa rin. Sige,
Yes.
sige. Okay, sige.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Miss Catherine Muguerza, your Miss Legend Universal Intercontinental Champion 2024.
Yes.
I was champion last December in Malaysia.
Wow.
And I am now the National Director of Legend Universal here in the Philippines.
Meron bang counterpart niyan sa kung may Miss Universal, meron bang Mr. Universal?
Not at the moment, but we have from 5 years old to 75 years old.
Na?
Candidates.
Oh, talaga?
Yes.
Really? Oo. Okay.
When I joined last December,
yes.
We were 70 candidates over
Philippines.
with different countries.
Different
Malaysia
countries.
kasi international na.
Wow, wow. How
so,
nice, how
I
nice.
represented Philippines
And
last
of
year.
course, our country is very proud of you. Kasi, syempre,
I hope.
yes, you represent us sa whole world, I believe.
Yes,
Tama po ba?
Yes.
Paano po ba yung in recapitulation for us to know kung ano po ba itong Legend Universal Intercontinental na to? What's this all about po?
Siguro actually
yung how is it found? Anong components nito? Paano na organize to? Mga something like that po.
Legend Universal
mahirap ang mahirap ang tanong kaysa yung tanong nung mga nagtatanong doon. Judges.
No, actually, I'm not so familiar with the kasi they have international, intercontinental,
Yes.
world.
Pag sinabi natin intercontinental, how is it differ with the universal? Miss Universe, mga ganun. Miss International, di ba? Merong difference yan eh.
Actually,
or is it the same? Kasi,
yeah, I think it's almost the same.
Miss World, may ganun pa.
Yes, we also have. But with me, when I became a champion, they made me the national director here in the Philippines to appoint the next candidates, next queens to represent the Philippines.
Siguro ang pinakamagandang tanong ko dito, how do you maintain your beauty, ma'am? Parang nakakainggit. Ako, habang tumatanda, kayo po, bumabata. Parang gano'n.
No, not really. I'm actually 56 years old.
Oh, sipin mo.
Yeah. And siguro, I pray a lot. And plus, what do you call that? I'm quite conscious with my health.
Yes.
With the food I take, with the medicines I take.
Yes. Medicine?
More on supplements, vitamins, I mean.
Vitamins,
so I take supplements, vitamins. I'm healthy food.
Yes.
Exercise.
Exercise.
Yeah.
So that's correct, Dr. Ko.
If I have time, I sleep a lot talaga.
Yun ang importante.
Yes,
because
well rested.
Ibig sabihin umaandar yung inyong motor during that time while you were sleeping. Parang ganon, I believe so. Kasi kita nyo naman yung katawan ko din kahit papaano medyo fit ng konti.
You're handsome nga now. Then last August, I met you last August, sir. Mas gwapo kayo ngayon.
Kaya talaga, kaya talaga si Madam talagang beauty talaga, di ba? Hindi lang beauty, mambobola pa. Okay. Siguro ang isa pang things that I need to hear it from you is paano kayo naging cut above all the rest of all the contestants, especially for this Mrs. Legend Universal?
Siguro kasi ang Filipina talaga.
Yes.
Ang Filipina, pag dinala sa abroad talaga to compete, walang talo yan eh. Kasi ibang training ng Filipina. Like, just the way you stand, the way you talk, the way you gracefully move, iba talagang Pilipina compare sa ibang countries talaga.
But you did not get that, siyempre sabihin na natin, andito na ang aking pinaka-bossing sa lahat.
Good evening, sir.
Siyempre, di natin pwedeng sabihin the late yan. Always early, kaya lang because of the flood.
Yes.
Walang iba. Kuya Joby.
Hello po, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Magandang umaga, gabi po sa inyo dyan. Pasensya na po at masyadong maganda ang weather for tonight natin ngayon dito. At siyempre, hindi din ako makapaniwala na bisita natin ngayon si Binibining Catherine, ang ating Legend Intercontinental Binibining.
Kaya nga, nung binola nga ako, hindi na ako makatanong ng tama eh. Kasi sabi niya, gwapo din daw ako. Sabi ko, mas gwapo yung darating sa akin. Si Kuya Jopi yun.
Ay, maraming salamat. Pare-pares lang po tayo mga Binibini at saka Ginoo. Magandang gabi po sa inyo at magandang umaga din po sa inyo dyan sa mga nanonood.
Yun, may tanong ako kay Ma'am Miss Catherine. Miss na lang kasi parang hindi ka Mrs. sa tingin ko eh. Di ba? Ang ganda ng bola din ha. So, what makes you sabi natin, a cut above the rest besides from the fact that, of course, you're spiritually prepared, as you said a while ago, maybe physically prepared, and mostly, syempre, intelligent and emotionally prepared. Kasi kung wala yun, you did not get that. Di ba?
I think so.
Tignan niyo si Ma'am, tignan mo. Sa ngiti pa lang, yung ulam na.
Actually, this is the second time na nag-guest sa atin si...
Yes. I recall that nung time na yon. Sabi niya, groggy daw ako ng time na yon. Ngayon, mas groggy. Joke lang.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
J pa rin. So, yung ano ba, was your smile? Kasi pag nakaka-capture yung smile, nakaka-engganyo eh. That makes you catapulted to that award, ganun po ba? Isa ba yun?
Yes, isa yun. Isa po yun. Actually, I got the special award in parang best in pose kasi it's about yung smile mo, yung posture mo. Yun, kasama po yun. Kasi parang pag nag-smile ka, you give good vibes.
Yes, yes.
Kasi in Malaysia, not everyone in Malaysia can speak English. But yung mga candidates sa kasama ko like Japan, India, Syria, not everyone can speak English. So, minsan nakakaintindihan na kayo sa ngiti at saka sa signs. Parang tayo nagsa-sign language. But when you smile, parang all of you become friends.
Pero siguro, there is someone behind you na hindi mo yan makukuha, di ba? Sabihin na natin that guides you, assist you on how you project right now. Tama po ba?
Siguro, hindi, at saka siguro nakuha sa dasal.
Oo, pero siyempre there is someone.
May factor yan.
May factor yan.
May factor yan.
Na nag-groom sa'yo how you become like that. At sino kaya yun?
Actually, siguro the first
andyan lang yan, shadow mo lang yan eh.
Siguro the first pageant I joined, siguro dun ako na-train talaga. The first time I guested here, I was crowned yung Mrs. Universe worldwide. I was Mrs. Universe Southeast Asia worldwide. So that was last August. Then I competed international. We bid you good luck during the time, di ba? Tama po ba yun?
Yeah.
Nag-good luck tayo and then this is
so ito na nga eh.
You rip right now.
Yes, di ba? You were asking me, then I told you I was just a simple mother. Then I was given a chance to be a candidate in Mrs. To be a candidate in the Mrs. Universe Internationals. So when I was crowned, I was able to compete abroad. Then I became champion.
Baka may tanong ka, Kuya
May
Joey.
tanong po si Father Corky Palyarca ng Bugarin Lodge. Tinatanong po niya kung ilan daw po ang inyong katunggali dito sa naging event na ito.
We were 70 candidates in Malaysia.
70.
Oy, 7 po, Father Corky.
Different countries yun.
Yes.
India, Russia, Syria, Japan, Taiwan, Thailand.
Pero sino yung yung sabihin na natin, 'di ba, sa parang sa Miss Universe, meron yung finalist eh. If you don't mind me asking, sino yung mga finalist na wherein medyo nahirapan ka ng konti, mga ganun?
Kasi they have categories there.
Okay.
So we were segregated in 4 categories: Miss, Mrs. Classic, Mrs. Elite. I am 56 years old, so napunta ako doon sa pinakamatanda. So, Mrs. Elite, Legend 54.
Sorry po, pinakamatanda.
Yes.
Pero 40s lang po kayo, di po ba?
Hindi, 56.
Ay, ganun po ba? Very deceiving. Hindi po kapani-paniwala na
kayo yung ageless beauty.
Hindi po kapani-paniwala ang inyong edad.
Pag tinignan mo ako, Kuya Jopi, baka sabihin mo sa akin, mas matanda pa ako. Pero sa totoo lang, mas matanda siya sa akin. Sa edad, sa edad.
Bumabati po si Father Corky Palyarca. Sabi, napakakaiba daw po ang inyong kutis, sabi nga ni Father Corky Palyarca.
Mandaluyong ba? Mandaluyong.
Bugarin Lodge. Galing ni Father Corky. Talagang nakantabi si Father Corky.
Isipin mo, spiritually talaga ba?
Yes, pati mga pare, napupukaw eh.
Ganun ba? Ako, magkasala yan. Wag naman. May conclave pa naman ngayon. Good luck pala sa conclave. Sana po ay pumalad yung ating kandidato. First time in history kung sakali si Father Tagle. Si Cardinal Tagle.
Yes.
Anyway, so siguro ano yung mga iniisip mo, thoughts about the procedures, especially sa aesthetic improvement ninyo in order to achieve this some kind of ageless beauty?
Actually, I have nothing against yung sa mga aesthetics kasi parang they can help, di ba? Like, what do you call that? Pampering yourself. Like, that's self-love eh. So, if you can afford it, why not? But in my case kasi, I am endorsing some aesthetic clinics. I took Calista Aesthetic Clinic.
Sige. Siguro mamaya natin sabihin yan. Pero siguro in general, nakakatulong. Siyempre, nakakatulong yan.
Nakakatulong po siya.
Ano yung mga, para siyempre, naghahangad din na maging kayo. Ano ba yung may papayo nyo sa kanila, especially on how to apply this, some kind of cosmetics or anything, how do you eat, how do you plan your day-to-day living, mga ganun po. Something like that.
Actually,
parang ako, just to guide you, although mukha akong matanda ng konti, I don't eat rice, something like that. I sleep at least 6 hours a day.
Correct.
And then I eat raw. Mga ganyan. Parang si Kuya Joppy, I eat raw. And then I do exercise. Every week. Besides from having sports like badminton, mga ganyan. Yun. Something like that. Baka pwede yung i-share. Kasi somebody or all of them, especially those yung naging-ibabaw physically na gustong maabot yung naabot nyo po.
Ako kasi
para at least an inspiration to everyone. Yes.
Kung pag sa house lang ako, I don't wear anything on my face, no. Tapos if I have the time, I always sleep. Matulog po ako
Matulog,
I don't watch TV talaga.
Nakaka-stress.
Hindi rin ako mahilig sa cellphone. So, nakaka-rest lahat. Tapos, I don't eat rice din po.
Wow! So, tama pala yung diet ko, ha?
Kaya lang, maprutas ako. So, mabilis ako tumaba. Kasi sugar. Yung sugar niya.
Pero it depends. Even may prutas ka, basta you consume it. Ibig sabihin, yung na-exercise mo, na-walk mo, etc. Okay lang yon. As long as you don't eat yung sabi natin mga refined or yung mga
chemical or processed
food or processed sugar.
Ma'am, meron po ditong question si Worshipful Master Charbel Haddad ng Australia ng Elysian Lodge. Tinatanong po niya, is there any chance daw po to meet you in personal?
Nako.
Ba?
Wow. Australia. Thank you po sa question, Kuya Charbel Haddad of Elysian Lodge.
Pero, Kuya, we will indulge you na andito kami ni Kuya Joppy to meet you, to represent you. You just ask us what to do, and then we will ask Ma'am Catherine. Di ba?
Yes, exactly.
Nakakainganyo talaga yung smile ni Ma'am Catherine. Oo, siguro ito yung nangibabaw sa kanya. During the time that he got that or garnered that coveted sabi natin award.
Kumbaga may pamukaw talaga siya.
Yes, may pamukaw.
May yung charm.
Yung charm. Yes.
Yun nga yung sabi sa akin ng isang Indonesian. Sabi niya, you're really kind. Sabi nga. Sabi ko, paano mo nasabi? Sabi ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, because you always smile and you talk to us even though we know you don't understand it. You don't understand our language kasi they don't speak English mostly.
Yes.
So, sabi niya gano'n. But still, you laugh with us. Lagi daw ako nakasmile.
Yun.
Talaga yung Philippines talaga, very careful
Yes. So, parang Miss Universe din po yan, Ma'am Catherine, na syempre, meron kang benefits, meron kang perks, something like that.
Yeah.
You can tour all over the country.
Ambassador.
As ambassador.
Ambassador.
Parang ganon. Either a brand or sabihin natin, ambassador for all those ageless beauty. Ganon.
Yes po. Opo.
Ayun, pwede nyo pong i-share sa kanila kasi para
mainganyo din.
Oo.
So hindi natatapos yung edad nila na parang hindi I'm overage sa ganito. So meron pa lang ganito.
Yun inspiration to everybody at the age of 56, di ba? Parang nasa lang po kayo, nasa 16 years old. Gano'n, di ba?
Actually, parang this time, parang I had a chance to relive or rewrite my story.
Diba?
Parang, kasi last time, parang, yun nga, parang simple mom ka lang, you stay at home. Since malaki na yung mga bata, they don't live in my house anymore.
Yes.
So this time, parang you live your life. Na parang you start all over again.
Yes.
It's really
parang reset, ma'am,
Ay,
Ang ganda, no? Reset. Oh,
yes, para ka na rewind, na reset. Yes. Talagang ang saya.
Kaya nga sabi ko, 16 nga eh. 16 going to 17, di ba? Something like that. Oh.
Minsan nga may nagsabi pa sa akin, parang you seem like to live in a bubble. Sabi niya gano'n. Yes. Parang you see everything is beautiful. Sabi ko, because it is.
Yes.
Kasi nasa tao naman yan, di ba?
So yung kwan din, it helps you also when you appreciate everything positive.
Yes,
Isang malaking bagay po yun.
Opo. Di ba parang every little things, parang it counts eh. Parang what matters most is parang you make it happy. Make every day happy, di ba? Just waking up is a blessing. That's happiness.
Okay. Siguro doon naman tayo sa medyo sabihin natin pessimist side na sometimes, 'di ba? Most people, sabihin na natin, 56 ka na, 50s ka na. Wala ka na, laos ka na, losyang ka na, etc. Ganyan. Some were misconcepted like that. Oo. Ano yung mga masasabi niyo sa mga ganyang mga pessimist ideologies na ganyan? Baka meron kayong opinion. Katulad yan, di ba? That thing speaks for itself. Kitang-kita, di ba? At the age of 56, pero mukhang 16 years old. Di ba? Oo. Anong masasabi mo sa kanila, mga pessimist na, kasi losyang na ako, ganito, 56 na ako, wala na akong future nito. Sige, na lang ako, mag-aasikaso na lang ang mga children ko, mga apo ko, etc. Sige, magkukuto na lang ako ng mga aso ko, etc. Mga something like that. Pero I believe, hindi ka ganon.
I was once like that.
Sipin mo?
Actually, I was once like that. So, when my children left the house, and wala ka na talagang kasama, alone ka na. So, I was thinking, Lord, and I prayed. I said, Lord, dito na ba yun? Sabi ko, di ba? So, I wasn't just thinking, I was praying. I was asking God na parang, ito na ba po yun? So, sabi ko, parang when I prayed, sabi ko, Lord, please surprise me. Amaze me. Sabi ko gano'n. So one day, I was given a chance na parang, yun nga, I got into a pageant, tapos umabot akong international, parang, there's more to it. There's more to life pala. Yes. Kasi you wake up every day, you're healthy, and you don't look so bad, di ba?
Yes,
so, konting enhancement, konting sabon lang yan, char. So parang, every day is a blessing talaga. Tapos every day you look in the mirror and you find yourself getting beautiful even more each day because you made yourself happy.
And
so you found your inner happiness and it made you talagang
so this sabi natin yung pageant na to ang nakapagbigay ng conception nyo ng ganyan. Which is a good conception, of course, a positive one. Compare dun sa misconception nila na, ay, 50s ka na, 40s ka na, wala ka na, parang gano'n, di ba? Oo. And siguro, an inspiration to everybody, baka kindly advise them kung paano ito, lalo na yung mga edad na 40s, 50s, mga ganun. Or, magle-late na 30s. Any advice to them?
Sagutin ni Ma'am Catherine yan.
Po.
Check po muna tayo. 7:25 po ng gabi. Magbabalik po ang Kapatiran para sa bayan. Alright, welcome back po sa ating segment for tonight ng Kapatiran para sa bayan. Babatiin ko lang po ng mabilisan bago sagutin ng ating beauty queen na si Miss Kat ang ating question. Babatiin ko lang ng mabilisan na advance happy birthday kay Elmer Niemer ng May 17 at kay Luis Niemer ng May 22. Siyempre, advance happy birthday din sa aking anak na si Caleb Marcos sa 19. And also, babatiin ko lang din si Marius Franco Mata ng Ilocos. Wow. Happy viewing po sa inyo dyan. At saka kay Luz Permin na nasa Hawaii na nanonood po sa atin ngayon.
Okay, ulitin ko lang siguro, Kuya Jopi, happy birthday ulit sa aking boss, si Commissioner Bienvenido Y. Rubio. At of course, minabati ko rin po si Arnel Serapika, naging guest natin yan.
Yes,
para sa mga
malapit na.
Tagigenyo, malapit na.
Malapit na po.
At si Alan Serapika naman, isang representante sa Tagigenyo.
Yes, malapit na.
Malapit na. Yung guest din natin si Jerome Lakbay.
Yes.
Ng Lumban, Laguna. Sabi niya may barong tayo.
Yun nga eh.
Yun ang inaasahan natin.
Saka yung mga kaibigan natin na magsasaka, baka makalimutan na.
Ayun nga pala, Most Worshipful Ariel T. Kayanan, party list, magsasaka. Sorry.
Doon po sa nakabinbin natin na question kanina, Kuya Jerry, baka pwede natin i-repeat question yung...
Yes. Yung gusto ko lang kasi i-share ni Ma'am Catherine yung kanyang experience kasi sabi niya kanina na ngayon lang siya nangibabaw kasi during the time na in her youth time, hindi naman siya nasasali ng mga pageant like this. But in her prime time,
Yes.
Oo, dito siya nang ibabaw, dito siya namayagpag. Oo, so kindly share to everybody na hindi pa ito huling panahon, lalo na sa mga edad 40s, 50s.
Yes po, kasi Nung panahon na to po kasi, parang iba na yung mga seasoned women. Parang mas bold na sila ngayon. Parang they wanted to show na hindi kami hanggang dito lang. Parang meron pang kayang gawin.
Ang sarap na pakinggan, ano? Seasoned women. Sana tayo din, Kuya Jopi, seasoned man din tayo.
Seasoned man na.
Ay, iba.
Actually, bata pa po kasi kayo, kaya hindi kayo pwede tawagin season pa. Well, ako po kasi, papunta na akong senior. I'm 30.
Hindi po talaga halata, ma'am. Hindi po halata binibini.
Ay, thank you.
Tinatanong po ni Rupert Corpus, a mother of ilan daw po ba kayo?
4
children and 1 grandchild.
Oh,
wow!
Grandson, 1 grandson.
Ang lupit. Matindi.
Pero siguro, masasabi ko, Kuya Jopi, sorry ma'am, pardon me, baka mas bata pa si ma'am sa mga anak niya.
Yes.
Sa itsura, di ba?
Hindi ko masabi, pero pwede natin sigurong i-flash habang ini-interview natin si ma'am. Meron yatang mga nakahandang flash pictures si
Yes. Si let's see. Let's watch.
Well, anyways, habang ipina-flash ng ating tech team yung mga pictures natin dito, may mga iba pang mga question na pwede pa natin itanong.
Yes, of course. Oo. Yung siguro ang kon natin is yung sabihin natin, despite at your prime age, how will you be able to cope up with the aging process? Kasi, di ba, we cannot prevent that from happening. Though you're aging, but I cannot see it that you're aging. Why is that so, Ma'am Catherine?
Yun nga, parang siguro yung pinaka-primary is to be happy.
Happy.
Ma'am, naggumamit din ba tayo ng siyensya sa ating kagandahan?
Actually, not yet. Pa-start pa lang. Kasi nga, mag-e-endorse pa lang po ako. But I've never used anything.
Wala pa.
Galing, galing.
So, and mostly water lang talaga ginagamit ko kasi madali ako mag-allergy. Even sa makeup.
Yes.
Konting lagay, nagdadat.
Tsaka, hindi man ako beautician pero tingnan mo si ma'am, I believe foundation lang yan Hindi siya talaga yung parang
total makeup.
Yeah, total makeup na
makeover.
Makeover talaga. You can see in her face na kahit ganyan siya talaga. You do not use also medically
medicine
interventions like sabihin na natin, sorry to say it, Botox.
Wala pa po.
Wala pa.
I was offered but
tinanggihan nyo?
Hindi, pinag-iisipan ko pa po kasi tatakot ako
yung mga hindi ako medical.
Escalera.
Yes, para escalera yung pinaninipis yung dito yung yung eyelid kasi kuminsan kumakapal na yan Oo, tapos dito inaayos ito, yung dito something like that.
Gusto ko nga sana papayatin, medyo mataba kasi.
Shout out po natin yung Montinola Cosmetic Surgery diyan po sa May Pasig City. Baka po kailangan niyo ng modelo. Andito po si Ma'am Catherine.
Yung kalads ko na rin. Isa shout out ka na rin si Dalisay. Dalisay soap. Oo. Pwede ko nga si Ma'am Catherine para at least
ma-endorse niya.
Ma-endorse natin. Pati yung craft beer, Kuya Jopi. Baka pwede kong kunin yung kanyang para ma-endorsement lang niya yung craft beer.
Pwede.
Kung ako hindi tumatanda, ito rin ay hindi tumatanda. Pag uminom kayo niyan. Ganun.
Why not?
Why not? Kuya Joby, baka meron ka pang mga
meron po. Ito parang impronto lang na question, ma'am. Meron po ba kayong previous years na experience sa mga beauty pageant? Yes. Like yung youthful years nyo, meron po ba kayong mga experience sa ganun?
Wala kasi, parang I had a baby when I was 22. So, hindi ako nagkaroon ng chance na mapasok sa ganun. But when I was 19, house model ako ng Mode Magazine. So,
magazine.
Nagmo-model ako for Cinderella.
Wow.
That was back in the 80s.
80s.
Mga panahon nila Alice Dixon.
Yes.
Elementary pala ako ng 80s. Yung 80s. Tama.
Shout out sa Miss Alice Dixon. Fans po kayo. Fans ko po.
Alice Dixon. Alice Dixon.
Big fan
college na ako.
Ay, ganun ba? Isipin mo.
Kinder kayo, tapos college.
Bata pa lang ako. Yan na talaga din isa sa...
Kaya lang, ang mukha natin, Kuya Joey, parang
Actually, schoolmate ko si Alice Dixon sa St. Paul.
Talaga?
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Pero pag nakita natin ngayon, ibang beauty ni Ma'am Catherine. Oo.
Ito pa po, may isa pa pong comment dito sa atin sa comment section, si Attorney Sherwin Enriquez. Hoping to meet you in flesh po, binibining Catherine.
We're here, Kuya Sherwin, to represent you. You just ask us what to do and then we will do. Diba?
Galing.
Siguro, another na amaze ako sa, syempre si Ma'am. I believe that the one that you're wearing is the one that you were crowned.
Yes.
And syempre, it is your privilege to wear that for the entire year until your next successor will be crowned again. Kailan po ba yung next?
December 1 in Kuala Lumpur pa.
Kuala Lumpur ulit. Baka invited kami ni Kuya Jopi, no? Di ba? Baka makabingwit tayo doon ng Mrs. Universe.
Manonood lang po tayo.
Ganun ba? Manonood ba? Sasabihin natin, kailan po kayo magpapaanak? Joke lang.
Hindi, meron din Miss. May Miss, may
meron
Mrs.
din. Iba-ibang category.
4 categories po kasi. Kaya medyo madami. Nadagdagan pa kasi merong mga kids na...
Opo. Binibini, maitanong ko lang po, ano naman po yung gamit nyo na inyong gown at sino naman po ang gumawa ng mga gown nyo?
Yun.
Yung gown na ginamit ko is, I got 2 designers. One is Jason Kuaikong. Kuaikong pala, sorry, Jason Kuaikong. And Sky Francis Imperial.
Wow.
Both Filipino designers.
Talaga?
Yes.
Baka pwede din natin sila ma-interview, no?
Yes po. Actually, the other one is here with me.
Mamaya siguro.
Mamaya.
Para maano natin, ma-promote natin kung ano yung mga ginamit yung design na...
Hindi, tsaka Kuya Jopi, magpapromote din paano tayo gaganda katulad ni...
Yes, exactly.
Jason is just 33 years old.
Wow.
So,
De La Salle.
Mamaya.
Yes.
Ano po yung ginamit na mga tela, mga baka po ba Pilipiniana?
Yes.
Mga...
I'm not so familiar with what he used.
Sasabihin niya mamaya.
Sige.
Pero hindi naman galing Lumban yan, galing siguro Lumban. Siya na po bahala. Pero may touch of our
Filipino style
culture, ethnicity.
Yes po. I really thought mananalo ako ng national costume.
Wow.
Kasi medyo maganda rin yung sinuot ko for our national costume. Kasi I have chandelier sa waistline ko. Tapos puro ilaw kasi
yes.
Parang pang sagala.
Pang Flores de Mayo.
Yes, pang Flores de Mayo.
Although medyo segue tayo ng konti.
Yes.
Si Mr. Muguerza kaya, anong napipil niya ngayon? Siyempre, si Mrs. Catherine Muguerza is a beauty queen right now. Hindi ba siya na-insecure or something?
I was never married.
Okay. okay. I see that.
Wala po akong partner talaga. Medyo matagal na.
Okay. Oo. Kuya Jopi, pwede nang mag-apply.
Actually, may nag-comment dito si Lito Padilla ng Pasig City. Tinatanong din eh. Talagang interesado siya eh. Shoutout po sa inyo, Lito Padilla. At nasagot na po ang inyong katanungan. Hindi ko lang po binasa, naunahan lang po.
At nag-a-apply si Kuya Lito. Joke lang. Oo. Isipin, so, hindi ko naman sinasabi na siyempre, hindi naman part yun na kunwari kung may asawa ka
hadlang,
makakahadlang.
Oo.
There are siguro somebody also na you compete with na meron din. May mga,
yes, tapos yung mga husband nila na ano
supportive.
Na-crown pa as best husband.
Wow!
Yes,
galing!
In Malaysia.
Ang galing.
Kasi may mga husband na sumama din sa mga wife. Tapos super proud nila. So, what the pageant did is
nirecognize sila.
Oh yes, nirecognize and was sash as best husband.
Wow.
Kasi nakakatuwa na.
How I wish na ako si Mr. Maguerza sana para puta na-crown din ako. Meron akong ngayon.
In due time, sir. So, balikan po natin mamaya yung ginamit yung fashion design at saka i-promote natin yung ginamit nyo sa susunod, sa huling segment natin para naman
That's correct.
Malaman natin kung ano yung mga ginamit na textile.
At saka kung anong papagamit niya sa akin this coming December.
Yun, sige po.
Siyempre, yung culmination of the crown as Mrs. Legend Universe Intercontinental Champion 2025.
Okay po, sige. Time check po muna tayo, 7:45 ng gabi. Magbabalik po ang Kapatiran para sa Bayan. Alright, welcome back po sa atin sa Kapatiran para sa Bayan. Babatiin ko lang po ng mabilisan ng mga nanonood po sa atin. Si Andro Medina Manimtim from Raw Chapter of Alpha Pi Omega watching in Alaska, and Vern Alex Sab from London watching right now. Maraming salamat po.
Sa Nobs Flor de Lis and of course sa Alpha Pi Omega.
Yes, also yung mga conclave natin ng Secret Order of Monitor.
Yes. Congratulations kay Kuya Rupert. Bunso namin 'yan.
So,
kailan ka sasali, Kuya Joby?
Malapit na po, Ipakilala po natin yung fashion designer ni Ma'am Catherine na si Jason Kuai Kong.
Yes.
Ang ating fashion designer for tonight.
Yes, bati ka, Sir Jason.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Jason Kuai Kong. I'm fashion designer of Miss Catherine Maguelza.
Wow.
Kanina may nabinbin tayong question, Kuya Joby. Ano yung mga sinuot that made him won the pageant?
Actually, kasi si Miss Cat, hindi naman talaga mahirap gamitan. What she wanted lang talaga, gusto niyang mas yung hindi revealing too much. Tapos
conservative.
Syempre, yes, hindi naman totally conservative. Mas gusto niya lang yung modern style ng Filipiniana. Para still nandoon pa rin yung very Filipino na atake niya.
So, and how do you passionately design it when you, of course, sabihin na natin, dress, Miss Catherine?
Most of the time kasi tinatanong ko rin siya kung ano yung gusto niya, kung anong gusto niya, kung anong mas komportable siya. Kasi first of all, as a designer, hindi naman kami yung magsusuot.
Okay.
Sila yung magsusuot. Siyempre, kung pag mas komportable sila, if they feel beautiful, lalabas yun sa kanila eh.
By the way, Sir Jason, I like your coat, very interesting.
Ang ganda.
XL po ako. I like your coat.
Yun. Bagay ba sa amin yung total fashion designer naman si Sir Jason yung mga cutwork na barong. Yung birches, mga ganyan.
Pwede naman. Actually, yun yung mga magaganda talaga. Pwede mo siyang gamitin formal. Pwede, most of the time, pag may mga simple events, pwede siya anytime. Pwede you can wear it anywhere talaga.
So, ang ginamit po ba nating textile dito kay Binibini ay lumban na pinya juicy?
No.
Hindi.
Okay.
Pero ang ginagamit ko kasi sa kanya, ang namin ngayon is
abaka. Gumamit tayo na abaka?
We're planning to.
We're planning.
This coming, kasi we'll be having our fashion show So, yun yung plan ko talaga. For the event itself, gusto ko talaga kasi lahat Filipiniana to make our represent the Philippines proud.
Tama.
Yes.
In just a simple gestures lang, pwede na yun.
Saan ba ito gaganapin, yung Fashion Week niya na to?
We have Manila International Fashion Week here in Okada, Manila sa June 8.
June 8, malapit na.
Baka naman invited tayo
Malamang, siyempre, Sir Jason.
One text away lang po.
Ganon. Kung kailangan po ninyo ng viewers.
Pamparami.
Si Miss Kat yung one of my muse kasi on that show.
Bali, paano po kayo nagkakilala dito sa fashion na to? Nilapitan niyo po ba or nag-approach po kayo, Sir Jason?
Kasama ko siya sa Malaysia during the time na lumaban siya.
And even before.
Yeah,
we had a fashion show in Indonesia.
Wow.
I met him in Indonesia. Tapos magkasama kami in Singapore, Malaysia.
Yeah.
So kayo na parang naging trend na fashion designer niya along the way.
Yes.
Wow. Ganun.
Tsaka worth fulfilling talaga si Jason kasi sipin mo naman, yung ginawa niya nanalo. Talagang nanalo.
Very ageless kasi yung beauty.
Wow. And it goes to the next question.
Okay.
Ano ba yung
sige.
sabihin na natin, biggest takeaway message that you want to share about achieving this ageless beauty? Yan.
Siguro aging gracefully is parang yun sa inner mo yan eh. Siguro ang pwede kong masabi is you take care of yourself, not because you're old, ganun ka na lang, no. Parang always see things beautiful. See the world beautiful. Parang every little things, that's God's blessing eh.
Yes.
Simple waking up in the morning is happiness. That's God's blessing. Always pray, eat healthy, take care of your body kasi I believe God lives in us.
Ang galing. Galing.
Diba? Parang we have to take care of ourselves. Yun. Self-love.
Nakikita na natin yung sagot ni Miss Catherine dun sa kumbaga nangingibabaw yung kanyang
kabutihan.
Yung emotionally prepared.
Yes.
Being emotionally prepared.
So siguro eliminated siguro kay Binibini yung stress
Yes.
Wala talaga totally.
It's not all about the physical aspect, it's more on the emotional aspect. At saka yung expression niya on how she wears the gown at the same time speaking with of course coming from the heart. Tama po ba yun?
Yes.
Pwede na rin ako maging beauty, Hindi, joke lang.
Pwede.
Ginoong Pilipinas.
Huwag lang yung gaganon. Wala tayong ganun eh.
Meron din bang counterpart sa mga lalaki, ma'am?
Soon siguro. Wala pa ngayon. Ang Legend Universal.
Shoutout natin si Ma'am Charo, baka yung sa kanyang pageant, di ba?
Yes. Ma'am Charo.
Doon may Mr. Universe.
Ay, ganun ba?
Yes, sa kanya yung kanyang pageant.
Yes. And I believe she's also a businessman and a politician right now. Although hindi natin pwedeng may divulge. Good luck, Ma'am Charo.
Hello, Miss Charo.
Yes.
Can I say something?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. I am the National Director for Legend Universal Philippines. I'd like to invite everyone to join. Age from 5 years old to 75 years old. We have 5 categories now. I have a page, Legend Universal Beauty Pageant Philippines 2025. You can check it out and message me.
Ano po yung Facebook page nyo?
Legend Universal Beauty Pageant Philippines 2025.
Okay.
Please check it out. I'll be waiting.
Yun. Yes. Okay. Any message? How can you be contacted, Sir Jason?
You can just add me on Facebook, Jason Koykong. On IG, also the same. That's all. That's only my contact number.
Contact number?
Yeah.
Contact number. Baka meron po kayong Viber.
Just contact Miss Catherine.
Yes. Okay. Any contact number, Miss Catherine?
Yes, ma'am. Para yung ibang magko-contact maliban dun sa Facebook page, yung contact number po.
Baka meron po kayong contact number or anything.
Siguro yung na lang sa Facebook Messenger.
Yes.
And sa page. Tapos, we would like also to invite you in Manila International Fashion Week in Okada this June 8. Please watch.
Anong oras po yun?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
PM.
PM. 7 PM.
Gabi. Oo.
Yes.
Siguro.
We have different designers from Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and also US.
Yes.
So, madami din palang.
Meron bang...
Jason will represent Philippines.
Oh, wow.
Fashion
Good luck.
Ano pangalan ng isang fashion designer din na Pilipino na yung sumikat sa ibang bansa? Yung talagang kakaiba na...
Sir Michael Cinco.
Mga ka-level na ba natin?
Papunta doon.
Going there.
Pagka Kuya Jopi, sinuotan na tayo ni Sir Jason. Ayan, papunta na siya doon.
Definitely.
Any message to your family, your
colleagues,
children, colleagues, or anybody?
Yes, I'd like to thank God first. Siguro nakarating ako sa kinakatayuan ko because I always pray. I'd like to thank the heavens, plus all my sponsors and endorsement, yung mga ini-endorse ko.
Sige po, go ahead.
Thank you, Lucky Pets.
Sige,
kasi they're taking care of my pets Kasi that's my new family.
Yes.
So
per parent.
Yes,
tama.
yes. And I'd like to say hi to my children, Angel, Tiara, Renzo, Sebastian. I'd like to say thank you also to my new family, Calista Aesthetic Clinic. I'd like to thank all my photographers, Sir Lito Calion, Edward De La Cuesta, Sir Allen Cabs, Mike Siniga, June Muga, and kasi they were the first who helped me when I started the pageant. Nice. And my designers, Manny Halasan, Jason Koikong, Francis Sky Imperial, and my makeup artist, everyone who helped me, like Reblon, for today's makeup. And I can't remember all of them. Ricky Reyes, thank you, Ricky Reyes.
No. Jason, anything to add?
Yeah.
Wala naman actually, yun lang. Happy Fiesta sa amin kahapon.
Saan? Anong fiesta nyo?
St. Joseph kasi is Bamboo, Oregon.
That's
I'm from Bamboo,
Las Piñas.
Yes.
Happy Fiesta.
Family, wala po bang babati na family?
Wala.
Si Jowa, hindi.
Baka ma-broadcast.
Baka ma-broadcast. Ako naman, hi kay Iya, Shane, and Emil. Sana po maging Regional Master Counselor appointed by this coming June pala. Meron po tayong yung conclave ng Demolay.
Yun. Past active
baka si Caleb gano'n na siya.
Sana po pagbalik na, kaso nandun siya sa Grand Lodge sa ibang bansa kung saan ng Demolay, na Grand Lodge ng Demolay.
That's correct.
Batiin ko lang din sa iyo ulit, Kuya Caleb, advance happy birthday on May 19.
Happy birthday.
Love you very much. Sa mga kapatid mo, si Maya, si Mikay, at saka ang aking loving wife na si Ethel Pestaño. Happy viewing po sa inyo lahat dyan.
Okay, ang next program po is Pangga, Ruth Abaw, live with Pangga, Nika Abaw.
Maraming salamat po. Magbabalik po ang Kapatiran sa susunod na linggo. Kapatiran para sa bayan. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Kuyang Doc Jopi, kasama si
Kuya Jerry Sadsad, isa ring manananggol.
Maraming salamat po. To God be the glory.